gardening friends. Today is Potato Day. I love planting potatoes. I feel like it's a treasure hunt every single year because they grow under the ground. You don't know what's happening. You get these beautiful green stalks, but you still don't know how many potatoes you're gonna get until the end of the season when you dig them up. So I just really love planting potatoes. This year we are planting 4 different types of potatoes. First, we are planting Yukon Golds. These are the leftovers from last season that didn't get eaten before they started sprouting. Then, for fun, because I think they're really cool looking, we are growing Adirondack Blue. So a nice bluish purple potato. And then I love red potatoes, so we're doing Red New Orleans, which we did last year and had a lot of success with. And then finally, we are doing Kennebecs, which is a white potato that I have heard grows really well in Michigan. So we will check that out this year. The first thing we did was fill up the beds with some nice new compost on the top, and we marked lines for our rows 12 inches apart in these 2 beds. So now I'm going to dig myself some trenches, and then we'll get planting. Alright, now that I have a trench dug, I am going to add some alfalfa pellets into my trench. Potatoes are heavy nitrogen feeders, and so we're going to give them a little bit extra. I'm going to start with my Yukon Golds. Where'd they go? And each trench is going to get 3 sprouting potatoes. Ugh. Now, oh look, it's a baby worm. Love to see worms in the garden. Thank you, my friend. Now, we're gonna cover these babies up. Move on to trench number 2. Okay, friends, we're doing a little experiment this year. Both beds are planted with all of our potatoes, and we have about 4 left, 4 or 5. We are gonna do one of these potato bags. They're all over the internet. You're scrolling around. Growing potatoes in pots and bags and stuff is a thing. So we decided, let's give it a try and compare how many potatoes we get in this little bag compared to our beds. So I need to fill it. I'm gonna fill it about halfway up with dirt, put the potatoes in, fill it up the rest of the way, and we'll see what happens. Well, gardening friends, that's a wrap on potato planting. I would like to mention that I got my potatoes from Tractor Supply. I am really impressed with these potatoes compared to the ones that I purchased last year at Home Depot. So I guess where you buy your sprouts matters. So they have some really nice ones over at Tractor Supply. If you have a Tractor Supply near you, I highly recommend. Until next time, I will see you later. Please consider liking and subscribing to my channel if you love to play in the dirt. I'll see you next time. Bye, gardening friends.
Please like, subscribe, and share to this channel. Peace out.